You know, it's brilliant. It's been such a worry, such a real heave to leave them. You know, and Ken, there was our 2 dogs and Ken, our next door neighbour's dog, and you know, I sat through all that night with them, that long night when the storm was really at its fiercest. So we went through that together. And to actually leave them there was a huge sort of decision, and I hated it in a way. I was pleased to be out, but I hated leaving them. They've been there on their own since 8 o'clock yesterday morning, so that's about 30 hours, yeah.
Molly, Smudgy, Molly, here girl, here girl. Oh, okay. Smudgy, Smudgy. Hello.
That's no problem. No, Charlie. They've been in there. We've been in since the whole duration. Really, I was winched out at 8 o'clock yesterday morning. So I left them there. I left them there. Still a real concern. We shared that really bad, horrific night together until I actually leave them. Thank you, everybody. Thank you guys for getting them out. Really appreciate it.
No problem at all.
Thank you.
No problem.
Oh, come on.
No, they're fine.
They're fine. Come on.
But they obviously know which way you take them, and they were just glad to be out of there because they just like company. These ones have been on the road for a long time, and obviously the dogs are not actually used to that, and that's all it is really. And this gentleman here, Mr. Fitton, he's been speaking to us ever since he's been here about moving his dogs. We tried to have a look last night, and it was too deep and too dangerous to get to last night, but it was fine this morning. And we've got a few more cats to do that are out and about, and we'll go and do those as well. But no, it's turned out to be a nice end to an unfortunate story, really, hasn't it?